Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So in this video, I'll show you how to download the AIBE admit card step by step. If your admit card is not downloading or you are facing login issues, then follow these steps carefully. So firstly, open the Chrome app. Now search for AIBE admit card. Click on it. Now click on login. And here enter your login ID, enter your password or enter code. After this, press on login and download your admit card. And if you don't remember your password, so tap on forgot password. And if the website is not opening or showing an error, then refresh the page, clear browser cache, try using Chrome browser or wait for some time if the server is busy. Make sure your all the details on the admit card are correct. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.